It's actually kind of complicated. Different people define light in different ways depending on how they use it. Most people think of light as being what we can see with our eyes in the visible part of the spectrum. However, an astronomer might also include heat, radio waves, or X-rays as light, since they're emitted from stars alongside visible light. Light comes in a broad spectrum of wavelengths or frequencies. Wavelengths can be as long as a football field for radio waves or as short as a single atom for X-rays. But a unifying feature of light is that it all travels at the same speed. I work in the field of photonics, which is where we use lasers, lenses, and mirrors to put light to work and learn how the universe works. So whether we're using radio telescopes to decode the composition of stars or using fiber optic cables to carry data across the internet, light waves allow us to send and receive information at the speed of, well, light.